Hey, I'm Mark and this is Heather. Welcome to our channel. Today Heather is going to show us how to make her world famous banana bread.
Yes, it's delicious. Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
I'm just here to help. I'm here like the sous chef, like the number one.
He's actually just eye candy. I'm going to be making the banana bread.
Yeah.
So the first thing you do is you turn on the oven to 350 degrees. So there's a variety of ingredients here. So what we're going to do first is the wet ingredients. So you melt a stick of butter.
One stick of butter.
And
so
you
is that a
add-
cup? I'm just making conversation.
What did you say?
One stick of butter, is that a fourth cup?
It's a half a cup.
Oh, it's a half a cup.
You're messing with my flow. So one stick of butter, which is a half a cup of sugar, and you're gonna mix it together and cream it. And if Mark would be so kind as to crack 2 eggs into this butter sugar mixture.
Hold on, I'll put the egg right there. I can put it. Oh my god. I need another egg.
Oh, Mark. Oh my god.
Let me get another egg.
What the hell?
It just smashed. Okay. I don't know my brute strength.
I can't believe
I'll
you
get
did
it.
that. All right.
Let's get that cleaned up.
Okay. Once that's done,
All right.
and your husband has removed the egg he cracked onto the counter, you're gonna take 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whoops.
I have a question.
And you're gonna mix it together.
I have a question.
Yes.
Since we're in Colorado and we're high altitude, is this high altitude instructions or is this just normal?
This is just normal banana bread. It has nothing to do with the altitude.
Okay, so anyone in the world can make this.
Anywhere in the world. Okay, so then you add in the flour ingredients. Mix it up again.
Oh, that looks really good.
And then you add in half a cup of buttermilk. I use the whole fat buttermilk, not the low fat kind. It's just the regular buttermilk.
How long do you blend it for?
Until it looks nice and creamy. There's really no time to it. You just want to make sure that it's creamy and blended. There's no random flour chunks or anything sitting around. All right. And then I've got 2 very, very, very ripe bananas. These suckers are dark brown. They've been in the refrigerator for like 4 days. They're mushy. They fall out of the peel when you peel them out.
And that's what you want?
Yes, I really think that matters because otherwise, when you're having to mash the bananas down, there's not a lot of juice in them, and I think it can make your banana bread dry.
Oh,
And then mix it up again.
so this is moist banana bread.
Super moist banana bread.
Super moist banana bread.
And the buttermilk adds to that as well. All right.
You want me to take those?
You take this and get the extra off of them. I don't like to waste anything, so I try to get as much batter off stuff as possible. Okay. All right.
Is this the type of batter that you can lick, like cookie dough, or not really?
You can, but it's not going to taste good. So this makes 1 loaf, which I probably should have said at the beginning, but that's okay. 1 loaf. I figured having the 1 pan there was the clue that it only makes 1. You pour it in. So lots of time when people make banana bread, it'll cave in the top. So it's really important to bake it for the entire time. Because otherwise it's too gooey. So after you spread it around, you want to kind of put a trench down the middle of it to help, because the ingredients tend to settle towards the middle. And then get the rest of it off and into the oven. So again, 350 degrees, and it bakes for 45 to 60 minutes. Typically this takes the entire 60 minutes. So I think that could vary depending on your altitude. Into the oven it goes. And that's it.
45 minutes.
45 to 60 minutes. In Colorado it takes 60 minutes.
I'll set the timer.
Thank you. Hi, we let it bake for about 50 minutes and then we let it sit for about a half an hour. This is what you want it to look like. So we're gonna try it now.
It smells really good.
All right.
I'm very excited.
Not everyone wants to eat the end, but we like the end piece, so we're gonna split that.
Cuts really nice. It looks super moist.
We're gonna put some butter on it. Even though it has a half stick of butter in it, there's nothing better than warm banana bread with butter on it.
Wow.
All right,
It's like
let's give it a
super
go.
moist.
That's
All
right. That's delicious.
It is super moist and very delicious.
We highly recommend this.
The ripe bananas really give it that extra yummy flavor.
They do.
Yeah.
Totally brings out the pungent banana taste. It's yummy. Definitely give it a try. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. And Heather and I will see you the next video.
time.